Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla MCU navigation freezing and what could be causing it based on verified information. In some Tesla vehicles, the navigation system may freeze, stop updating the map, lag significantly, or become temporarily unresponsive while route guidance is active. Drivers may notice the vehicle position not moving on the map, delayed turn instructions, or the navigation screen locking while other driving functions continue to operate normally. Steering, braking, and propulsion remain unaffected, but navigation freezes can reduce route guidance reliability and driver convenience. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, MCU hardware generation, and software version rather than indicating a universal infotainment system failure. Verified information shows that Tesla navigation relies on real-time map rendering, GPS signal processing, and background software services within the MCU. One documented factor involves software resource load. When system memory or processing capacity is heavily utilized by navigation, media, visualization, or background tasks, the navigation interface may temporarily freeze until resources are freed. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by software version, map data updates, route complexity, or system uptime, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Map data handling and GPS input behavior have also been reviewed. As a possible contributing factor, temporary GPS signal interruptions, slow map tile loading, or incomplete map data synchronization can cause the navigation display to stall, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Thermal and operating conditions are another documented consideration. Extended MCU operation, high cabin temperatures, or sustained processing demand may affect system responsiveness and increase the likelihood of navigation freezes. Software update and caching behavior further influence performance. After software updates or long periods without a system restart, cached navigation data or background processes may contribute to temporary freezing until the system stabilizes. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include observing whether freezing occurs only during navigation use, noting any relation to software updates or long drives, and monitoring whether the issue resolves after a system restart. If navigation freezes occur frequently under normal conditions, service inspection may be recommended to evaluate MCU performance, storage health, and software diagnostics. Reviewed information indicates that Tesla MCU navigation freezing is not universal and often relates to software load, data processing, or operating conditions rather than a failure of vehicle control systems. In conclusion, Tesla MCU navigation freezing is generally linked to software processing demand, map data handling, and system operating conditions rather than a hardware defect affecting drivability. The experience varies by vehicle configuration and usage patterns, and professional evaluation is advised if the issue persists. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.